All right, here we go for another Tinkercad lesson in 2 minutes or less. All right, let's start the timer. Okay, so we are going to be looking at today how to get your object sizes. Really simple, but there is multiple methods. So we're going to look at the standard square. Okay, so first method is if we go over here, there are sliders, and you can also type the measurements on there. All right, now this is not the case with every object. As we can see with the wedge here, it doesn't have it, but that's okay. The other methods are going to work just fine with the wedge. The next thing we can do is you can grab, notice there are two colored boxes. The white, if you grab in the bottom corners, is going to be 2 axes. If you go on the top, the white gives you your Z axis. Next, if you look at the black boxes, it is 1 pull at a time. Now, the arrow here is up or down, so just keep in mind with that. That's not a measurement, that's just that. Okay, the next and final way, which is, to be honest, my preferred method, is you click on the object, you click on the measurement you want to do, and then you just type the measurement you want, and this applies for the wedge as well. Okay, this is Matt from the Random Maker with a Tinkercad lesson in 2 minutes or less. Until next time, let's get making.